In this short tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can add photos to your contacts on Samsung. Adding a photo to your contact enhances recognition, personalizes your information, and boosts professionalism, facilitating easier recall and rapport building. To do this, simply head into your Contacts app. Let's say you wish to add a profile photo to this phone number right here. Just tap on the profile icon. You will then have to either choose on these default photos or pictures from your phone gallery. To choose from your gallery, tap right here and you will head into your phone photos. To choose on these default ones, just select any. Tap on Save and it will get saved to the selected phone number successfully. You can at any time remove or change it. To remove it, just tap right here on Edit. Tap into the photo and then either select to change or delete it by clicking on this minus icon right here. That's how easy it is to add a profile photo on someone's phone number on your Samsung phone. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.